Welcome. In front of me I have iPad Pro 11 and today I'll show you the best options that you can find in this device for your camera. So we have to smoothly move for the settings, tap on the search pool and type the camera, and there it is. We have to tap on it, and as you can see when we are here we can find a couple of the useful options. The first one, the composition. So there we got the grid lines. So take a look. When you go back to the camera and activate the grid lines appears on the screen right here. Maybe I'll show you how it looks on the front camera. Just take a look. And as you can see right now, we can make the better composition of the photo. Just like that. If you want to take the better portrait photo, for example, it will be much easier to take the good position of your face with this simple grid lines on our front camera. Let's go back, and what you get here also the mirror front camera. So when you take the normal photo just like that, take a look, the photo was taken, and as you can see it's reverse. So if you want to get rid of that, simply activate the mirror from the camera and just take a look. When you take another time, right now it looks identical like on the preview. So that's how we can change it. Let's go back for the settings, and what we got here also the lens correction. So also let's activate this thing, because when you take a photo with ultra wide the camera, it will automatically correct distortion on our photos. So definitely it's worth to get it. And the last option, the smart HDR, it's also very useful, especially when you take a photo outside when it's, you know, a lot of sunny light, and it automatically blends the best part to separate exposure into a single photo from few photos. And I think that's all basically. Here we can also, for example, change the slow motion speed, also for the record video. So if you want to shot the videos with highest resolution, for example, you want to get the 4K at 60 frames per second, just go like that. So you can easily increase your video quality by picking one of these options by higher resolution. What you got here, we got also the auto frames per second. To be honest, let's go to turn it off and let's stay with those settings. What you got here also, and lock camera. So this option, when we activate this option, we cannot switch between the front and the rear camera when we record a video. When we go back, what we can find also, I think that's all. We get also the preserve settings, like the camera mode. We can activate this one, and I think that's all. So for me, there are the best settings that you can find in iPad Pro 11, the third generation. And if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.